welcome to Zachary's cooking show. As you can see here, we are making popcorn today. Here we got our simple ingredients. We got some oil, popcorn kernel seeds, butter, some salt, and a large bowl, and a woody pot. First, we're going to take the oil, open the woody pot, and pour the oil in. As you can see there, open the butter. Then we are going to put the popcorn in. Like that. Then you're going to close the lid so it doesn't blow up on you. Then you're going to light it and put it on number 8. Then you're going to start rolling as soon as possible. Don't forget to roll for about 3 minutes. I'm going to check it. Okay, still going, still going. Going to let it cool down for a little bit. I will be back. Just a little second. That is a sign that the popcorn is popping. That was ready popping. Whoa! And when they just stop popping, you are going to make sure this is low on you and go over to your large bowl. Take the top and if I can go that way. Okay, I'm going to turn it off so the house system is not down. Mix it up a little bit and put it right there. Next, we're going to put the butter in the microwave for about 45 seconds. And you can just wait for a little bit. In the meantime, after your butter is gone, you're going to lightly salt it, which I will show you as soon as the butter is done. You can see there's 25 or 23 seconds left. You can see the butter in there. Okay, it's probably good right now. And you're going to take the it's a little hot. I'm going to take the butter and sprinkle it over the popcorn. Like that, and the other side over here, and you're going to take the salt from the salted shaker and let the salt the popcorn. When that is enough salting, you're going to mix it up like this so the butter and the salt can reach the bottom. And that is how you make a tasty snack, which is very good for long con trips or watching movies. Thank you for watching Zachary's French cooking show. Goodbye.